Hey there, this is Dan, the culinary libertarian in my tomato field, which isn't really a field. So this is fun. These are going to be, I hope, yellow grape tomatoes. I often get reprimanded because I forget the shape and call them pear, but they're grape. So I used yellow grape tomato seeds, so that's why I think they're going to be yellow. Also, over here is some, well, they're coming. I honestly have no idea what they are. The first seeds I planted all died because I forgot to bring them in from the frost, and you can hear the chimes. So I don't know what they are. They're a cherry tomato of a kind. They have a really cool variegation on them, which is really, really fun. We're going to bend way, let's go over here. I don't know how to do this. Let's see if we can travel. Yeah, lots of tomatoes. Lots and lots and lots of tomatoes. And then down there, somewhere, is, yay! Now, because I made a boo-boo and let the tomatoes, well, I let them die. So I had to start again. So we're way behind, but if I get back far enough, you can see that it's a bit of a jungle. So this is what, so most people know if you grow a tomato, it grows with the vine, then the fruit goes down, then gravity wins, and that's just what happens. Here's what's interesting to me. And these grape tomatoes are growing backwards. For some reason, get out of the way, they are growing in the other direction, and then there's some that are growing as expected down. There's another one growing up, there's one growing sideways. So it's just kind of odd. So these 6 plants looks like monstrosity. There's blooms everywhere, lots and lots and lots of blooms. Hi, blooms. And so I've been stealing a trick from another farmer called tickling them. I just give let's find some blooms, give them a little shake, and that pollinates them, and I get lots and lots and lots of tomatoes. So anyway, I'm excited about my tomato patch. I thought you would enjoy seeing that too, and so that means, of course, for those of us who like them, fried green tomatoes, but tomato salsa and, tomato sandwiches and tomatoes. And so there's these 6. There's this one in a pot. There's those 2 in a pot, and then, yeah, Halloween never leaves this yard. Then way up there in that terracotta pot and that black one is 4 more tomatoes. And all of them are, some of them are the grape tomatoes, and the rest of them are who knows what we're going to get. It's going to be fun. So that's Tomatoland.